So this is my contract. Um, so just let me just delete this. So I'm going to deploy column. This is my name, my surname. This is the name of the contract symbol. Actually, I can also add code this surname and name in this contract if I want to, but I just do it this way. So we've deployed the contract successfully. Click down here, scroll up. So we can check the total supply, which is this, right? So you can actually bond some amount as the owner. You can bond this, just like bond this amount of, which has gone successfully also. Right. So I can check total supply again. It has reduced to 99999, right? So you can go up here back and copy this address, right? Go up and paste it here. Check my balance of, see my balance of this will be the same thing as the total supply because it has reduced. This is the address that published that deployed this contract. So I can also check this basic thing. It's in, this is name, owner. You can see the address of the owner and symbol BUNN. So you can just transfer to another address. Remember, we call this address I use now 5858, right? This is 58. So I'm clicking this address here, and I'll go back to this 58, right? So click transfer, put this address there. I'm going to transfer this amount of way, transaction successful. Click on approve. I want to do transfer form also. I just did transfer to that account. So we can also check the balance of that account. This is a different account. So you check the balance of the account. Check the balance. You see 1,000. I think it's more than 1,000. 1,000,000. Yeah. So we can come back here, paste the account, copy this. We want to approve this. So or approve this amount to this address. So this address can also send using a transfer form function. So we just did that. Now we just approve to this. So this will approve to this. Now we want to send use the transfer form function, right? Paste. Right. So so we have this here, right? Total to, so I want to copy this. I want to use this address, which is the owner address. I want to send that money to the owner address. Right. So I'm going to reduce it here. Then I'll change this. We call this 0xdb dd. Yes. So change that please. Then we can just transact. Use the transact function now to transact. This transact function, alright. Click on it. Wait. So you can see we've successfully transferred using transact function from this to this, right? So if we copy this now, let's go down here and see, look at our balance here, right? Total supply. Now I want to check our current balance since we transact some amount of weight to it. So you can see it has changed. You can see it's just because it's too small, so it's not going to indicate here. You're not going to see it. You understand? So that's that about that. So basically what I was trying to say before, in case if I don't want to I can actually add code the name in such a way that I'll just put my name here. And put symbol here. So the symbol should be UNN. So if I did like that, I'm going to comment this. Then also I'm going to take this off. Then I'm going to compile again. So just give some time for it to compile. So it has compiled successfully. So we can also go back here and deploy, but now it's not going to ask us to input these things again because of by default we deploy. This is it down here. By default it already we don't need to put our name. It already know our name as Obulu because I've decoded the already. So that's that about. If I want the same thing, it's going to do the same thing. Thank you very much.